Welcome to InvestingRamp, where we explore ways to ramp up our investments. In this video, I wanted to show you some ways, with prompts, you can leverage ChatGPT for personal investing. It can be helpful in gaining insights, conducting research, and exploring investment ideas. Don't forget to like and share. Let's look at 3 examples I leveraged recently, and you can too. First, I asked Bing Search, powered by ChatGPT, about recent news and developments related to the companies or industries I'm interested in. Here is an prompt example. Type following: I'm an investor. Can you summarize key financial and performance metric news for SCHD over the past 2 years? Bing pulls recent data, even from Yahoo Finance. Check how SCHD returned 16% over 3 years. I think Bing Search, powered by ChatGPT, could be one of those handy tools for us to stay informed while also seeking out potential investing opportunities based on individual financial goals. Second, learn about financial concepts and investing from ChatGPT. For these, I usually go to the original OpenAI chat and select moderate mode. For example, I asked why value investing could be risk-averse during market downturns compared to growth investing, and ChatGPT flagged dividend income among other things. Good to know, right? Here is another one. Asking about useful metrics like price-to-earnings ratio and beta, aka historic volatility measure, and some examples. Both can help you better compare stock market investments when making a decision. I'd also say ChatGPT is great to understand key financial concepts, such as compound interest, risk management, and tax implications, as well as just clarify complex topics. Third, idea generation and investment opportunities. I'd occasionally ask ChatGPT when brainstorming new investment ideas and ballparking what are my expected average return on investments across these ideas. Here's an example. I tell ChatGPT that I like moderate risk, 10-year horizon and 6% plus annual returns. Not surprising to see blue-chip dividend stocks in the list of ideas. Thanks. You can also follow up on your previous prompt. For example, here I ask which of these ideas have the highest return potential and how $10,000 investment will grow over 10 years with $2,000 annual contributions and that return potential. Go ahead and put Bing Search and ChatGPT to the test by curious investor as yourself. Ask about specific stocks, drill down on details and recent news. All in all, the era of AI is here and ChatGPT could be a great tool for us to explore, plan, and ramp up our investments going forward. So make sure to leverage it. Glad you sticked until the end. Thanks, and as always, check out my other videos and let the compounding force be with you.